In this video from Device Doctor, I will show you how to fix the white paper issue on your Epson L14150 and get full color printing again.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
First, turn on your Epson L14150 printer and run a test print. Carefully check the printout to see if the printer is printing completely white pages or if only some colors are missing. This will help you understand the extent of the color problem before starting the full calibration and filtering process. Our printer test shows completely white pages. Even if your printer only misses some colors, this video will help you. Just follow each step carefully and do not skip any instructions to ensure proper results. In the first step, send a print command to your printer. When the print head starts moving, quickly unplug the power cable to unlock the print head from its locked position. As you can see, the print head has moved forward and is now unlocked, ready to be moved manually. Now, remove the front cover so you can have easier access to the printer head. In the second step, you need to remove the extra covers around the print head. When removing the print head unit covers, be very careful and work patiently. If you are not a trained technician, please keep every screw and part you remove in a safe, organized place. This will help you avoid losing them during reassembly. Now remove the top cover of the cartridges. Then unlock the print head lock and carefully remove the plastic cover holding the ink tubes. It's quite simple, but make sure you do it with care. Now that all the covers are removed, take out the cartridges or dampers carefully. Do it slowly to avoid spilling any ink. Now, open the ink tank valves. Using a 20 to 50 cc syringe with a tip like the one you see in this video, filter each damper one by one. Remove any trapped air and old ink so the print head receives proper ink for printing. After filtering the dampers, put everything back in its place just like you removed it. It's quite simple, but make sure to do it carefully. Make sure not to place the dampers in the wrong positions. Each one must go back exactly where it belongs. Now place the ink tubes back in their correct positions and carefully reinstall the plastic cover that holds them in place. Don't forget this important step. After reassembling, make sure the print head unit is properly seated in its original position, right above the waste ink system. We've successfully completed the hardest step. Now, move on to the next simple part. Use a syringe to pull out a few milliliters of ink from the waste ink tube. This helps restore proper ink flow through the system. Remove the waste ink cover, and then take out the waste ink tank carefully. This step isn't difficult. You only need a syringe and its tubing. Make sure to attach a firm plastic tip to the end of the tube so it fits tightly into the waste ink outlet. That leads to the maintenance tank. In this step, reassemble the printer carefully. Once it's fully closed, power it on and perform a head cleaning before running any print test. The print head cleaning process is very simple. Go to your printer settings, open the maintenance section, and select Print Head Cleaning. The process takes about 3 minutes to complete. During the head cleaning process, make sure the ink tank lids are open for better ink flow. After the head cleaning is complete, some printers automatically print a nozzle check. However, for others, you'll need to start the nozzle test manually. As you can see, the printer that was only printing white is now printing all colors correctly. All the nozzles are fully cleared and working properly, so your prints will have the correct colors and no missing lines. We've successfully restored full color printing and cleared all the nozzles. Your printer is now ready for flawless prints. If you want to learn how to replace the paper feed rubbers and the rollers and fix paper jams completely, Don't miss our previous video where we show the step-by-step process. Check it out next.